Substantial relief response from 20K1 Lions to St. Vincent and the Grenadines. In the effort to help alleviate the enormous humanitarian and ecological devastation brought on by 2 weeks of volcanic eruptions, with the approval of District Governor Jacqueline V. Phillips, an appeal went out on April 11th to Lions of our district, asking us to help those affected by the eruptions of La Soufriere volcano. These eruptions started on April 9, 2021, on the main island of the Caribbean nation of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Volcanic lava flow on the northern third of the island has destroyed everything in its path: crops, animals, homes, leading to a water shortage. 2 of the island's 5 hospitals had to be evacuated, and more than 20,000 people were displaced from their homes in the red zone to the southern end of the island, or even the neighboring islands such as St. Lucia or Barbados. Snow? Oh no, that's ash, volcanic ash, and the response from our Lions, massive. As of June 21st, the Lions of Brooklyn and Queens had packed and shipped 18 commercial bins and 25 jumbo barrels. Most of us know what a jumbo barrel looks like. How about a commercial bin? That measures 48 inches. That's 4 feet by 40 by 34. Yeah, huge. In those containers was everything from soups to nuts, literally. There were products for the home and items for everyone from babies to senior citizens. Vice District Governor Ingrid Andrews Campbell coordinated the packing of donations that included water, non-perishable foods, cleaning products, face masks, shields, hand sanitizers, gloves, toiletries, underwear, feminine personal products, diapers for babies and adults, baby formula and clothes, bath towels and washcloths, bed sheets, wireless glucose monitoring kits, and tarps. For more than 6 weeks, the collection locations at 11206 Sutphin Boulevard in Queens and 747 East 101 Street and 3405 Clarendon Road in Brooklyn look like warehouses. The doorbells were ringing late until several nights as Lions and other community organizations dropped off their generous donations. District 20K1 wholeheartedly thanked the homeowners and proprietors of these locations for so generously tolerating the constant traffic and providing the space for storing the large number of offerings. Donations, financial and in kind, came from every part of Brooklyn and Queens, from Lions clubs, individual Lions, and other community organizations. Thank you for so generously responding. As items arrived in St. Vincent, the Lions of St. Vincent stepped up their pace and were busy at their warehouse where the relief items were stored. Lions unpacked, stored, and distributed relief supplies to the people of St. Vincent who were severely impacted by the volcanic eruption. The overwhelming, generous, and immediate response from our Lions of Brooklyn and Queens is a manifestation of our kind and loving service, and powerfully highlights and emphasizes that where there's a need, there's a lion, is no empty statement. Well done, 20K1. Wow. District 20K1 Lions, you rock.